Hi everyone, warm welcome to RIM. Today I'm going to explain how to post your sell offer on RIM site. So the first step, you just click on sign in option and then you can see this login page. Here you have to log in using your credentials. So now I'm using my login particulars and then you just take you to this my page, and in this page on the left side you can see post sell offer menu bar. You just click on it, and on the right side you can see post sell offer fields. So the first step is offer type, normal offer or hot offer. For normal offer posting, you require 5 credits, and for hot offer posting, you require 9 credits. And hot offer gets high priority than normal offer, and it will be listed on top of the normal offer. So I just go with hot offer. And the scrap next field is scrap category. So in this field, in the drop down list, you can see general, paper, plastic, rubber. So you have to choose your preferred scrap. I'm going to be select plastic. And the next one is subcategory. So in this drop down list, you can see subcategories. So you have to choose your preferred one. Now I'm going to select pet. And the next one is ISRI. It's not mandatory. So I just go on the next field, that is offer title. So in this field, you have to mention the appropriate title of your sell offer. So it should contain the quantity, scrap name, and the period of the availability. So for example, 100 empty of PET bottle scrap available for sale on monthly basis. Like this, you need to mention here. And the next one is unit. So in this drop down list, you can see tons, kilograms, number, LBS. So you have to choose any one of these. I'm going to select tons. And the next field is quantity. So here you have to mention about the sell offer quantity. For example, 100 empty. Like this, you need to mention here. And the next one is image. So in this field, you have to upload the scrap image of your sell offer. And the next one is video. In this field, you can give your YouTube URL link about the product, the company, service, and scrapyard, and etc. And the next one is packing. So here you have to mention about the packing type like bags, container, or bales. I'm going to mention about container. And the next one is price. Here you can mention the price if possible. So which will helps to get an immediate attention from the buyers. And the next one is US. In this drop down list, you can see USD and Euro. You can choose any one of these. I'm going to select USD. And the next one is payment terms. In this drop down list, we have given LC, DA, DP, DT, and others. So you can choose any one of these. I'm going to select LC. And the next field is port of shipment. So here you have to paste, that means you have to mention the loading port. For example, Mumbai port of in India. So like this, you need to mention here. And the next field is price term. So in this drop down list, you can see FOB, EXW, CAF and all. So you can select any one of these. I'm going to select FOB. And the next one is detailed description. So here you have to clearly describe your offer particulars. For example, scrap name, quantity, packing, payment term, price details, shipping port, export region. And if you have any other additional information, you can mention here, which will help the buyers to understand your supplying details. And the final step, you just click on next button, and you can see the preview page. And if you have any modification, you can do it here. And in the below section, you can see the contact information like company name, contact name, email, phone, mobile, city, state. you just confirm it and click post button. So obviously your offer will be posted on Dream and it will be published on live at earliest after the admin's approval. So thank you so much for watching. I will catch you on the next video and have a wonderful day.